day 7 of running a $100,000 portfolio, and after market close on Friday, the market rallied a little bit on Friday, and it seems like it's going to rally even further. The market had a little bit of a correction, which is always a great thing for a market. To have a healthy market, you need corrections like here, 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 and then again here. This was just a bigger correction. That's okay. That means all these great companies could be on sale. You could think about it that way. And I think the market is going to rally. Now, I have been looking at the portfolio, and it seems it's been a little too weighted in the software sector, which isn't really a sector that shows up here, but it's quite weighted there. So I wanted to make sure that we have some companies that per se are not. And the best way to do that in a sector that we completely don't have is consumer defense. And ideally, you want a little bit of each sector to have a healthy portfolio that can weather all different conditions of the market. And consumer defense is one that we don't even have a little bit of. Like, we have a little bit of consumer clinical and communication services. We have both. We have Meta, and for consumer clinical, we have O'Reilly, Costco, things like that. So the same thing I did about financial services. You don't have to take risk with individual companies. You can just buy XLF, which is a spider ETF. It's an index fund that has all these different good banks, right? And the same thing for consumer defense would apply. This is a great consumer defense ETF. Over 5 years, returned about 111%, and it has taken a significant beating. That is because of their main holding, which is Kratos Defense. Um, I'm not too happy that their main holding has taken such a far beating, and it's a company that I haven't really researched individually, so I'm not sure about that. But I think I'm going to be adding this to the portfolio. A lot of great companies here: RTX, Lockheed. So I'm going to be adding this to get some market capitalization of the defense sector. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of Nvidia. Nvidia stock has taken a significant beating, and I mean, what a great company! Earnings absolutely incredible. Made in beat and raised on every single different category. Incredible company. Great price to buy it. Not a ridiculous PE ratio either. They're sold out of every single chip that they make, and the demand for them is just so high. You need to have a certain amount of Nvidia in any portfolio, and we don't have any, so this is going to be a great company to buy at a great price. All right, see you market close Monday.